In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add dual clock widget to the home screen on your Android smartphone. Today I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started, guys, and first off, at our home screen we need to long press somewhere at an empty space, and then down below here select widgets. Here, guys, we need to scroll down all the way until we find clock. Now I'm going to tap at that arrow to expand it, and here we are looking for dual clock widget, and then to place it to our home screen we can either drag it just like that, or we can just tap right here and then hit add to add dual clock widget to our home screen. After that we can place it anywhere at our home screen simply by dragging it up or down in that way. And also we can configure it. As you can see, for now it is set to Moscow and that one is set to London, and we can easily change both of them. So now I'm gonna long press on it, select settings, and here we can see first city and second city. Let's say I'm gonna configure a second one, so we can just go through that map and select city manually in that way. And also we can use search. Here we can enter some location or city. I'm just gonna select Tokyo, Japan, and then to select it right here tap at change. As you can see, my widget has just been changed. Also down below here we can choose if we would like to switch between day and night colors. We can easily select one of these options here, and when this is turned off you can configure the transparency for white and also for black. Also, once you have done with the configuring this widget, to apply the changes, hit right here at save. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.